Technology has the power to change people's lives. Obviously, there was a time when you got power or a phone line, when the telegraph was first invented. These were all cutting edge technologies. There was a time when technology was a brick, like making bricks was a technology. And so I just over time evolved into that. If you were involved in the tech industry, you were involved in changing people's lives. You were involved in making human beings' lives better across the globe. And it sounds cheesy, but it's really true. Think about the things you take advantage today of, like ice in your ice machine. That was a technology that was invented. Or the ability to have AC, air conditioning. And I go all around the world and I find out that people still are not using that technology. So there's a lot of adoption still to come. The Western world uses it, but the whole world doesn't use it. And so as the technology evolves, I get excited about how you change people's lives. That's really why I do it. I love to employ people, and I love to give people opportunity, and I love to see them productive, grow, and learn how we can better society. It's cheesy, I know, but I love it.